In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap text in Canva. If you've ever wanted your text to flow more naturally around a shape or simply fit neatly within a space, this will save you time and make your designs look more polished. Start by opening your design in Canva so you can follow along with your own project on screen. First, let's wrap text around a circular object, like a logo or a photo. Using Canva's curve effect, click once to select your text box. With the text selected, look to the top toolbar and click Effects. In the panel that appears, find the section labeled Shape and choose Curve. You'll see a slider that controls how strongly the text bends. Drag the slider until the arc of your text matches the curvature of your circle. If your text needs to hug the top of the circle, move the slider in one direction. If you want it to sit along the bottom, move it the other way. Take a moment to look at the spacing and the overall shape. The goal is to mirror the curve of your object so it feels intentional and balanced. Because the text remains fully editable, you can adjust the wording or font at any time without redoing the effect. Small tweaks to the slider usually make a big difference. So move it slowly and watch how the letters follow the curve. Now, let's look at simple text wrapping inside a text box, which is perfect when you want your copy to fit a specific width. Click on a text box to select it. On the left and right edges, you'll see white, pill-shaped handles. Click and drag one of those side handles inward to make the box narrower. As you do, the text will automatically flow to the next line to fit the new width, creating a clean wrap without manual line breaks. If a line feels too cramped or a single word drops awkwardly, nudge the handle a little to fine-tune the width until the lines look even. This approach helps you keep paragraphs tidy and readable, especially when you are aligning text beside images or within columns. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.